Moving on from preschool to kindergarten, we've got you covered there too. From their first set of school supplies to their first day of school outfits, this pack has labels for it all. Such as durable, laminated labels for clothing with care tags, or our flexible, unlaminated labels for tagless clothing or even brand stamps. From there, our school labels pack is made with enough labels to last you through at least one full school year. So you can rest assured that everything that goes to kindergarten returns home at the end of each day and not end up in the lost and found. Start customizing yours today. Enjoy the new school year.